If your mouse scroll wheel is not working in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes you can try right now. This is a super common issue, and in many cases, the problem is not your mouse at all, but a browser setting, a bad extension, or a temporary glitch inside Chrome. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to troubleshoot the issue step by step and get scrolling working again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, the easiest fix is to restart Google Chrome. Completely close the browser, make sure it is not still running in the background, and then open it again. Sometimes Chrome just gets stuck with a temporary glitch, and a simple restart is enough to restore the scroll wheel. If that doesn't work, the next step is to restart your computer. Go to the Start menu, click Power, and then choose Restart. This refreshes both Windows and the mouse and browser processes, which can clear up issues that a browser restart alone will not fix. Once your computer starts back up, open Chrome again and test the scroll wheel. Now, if the problem is still there, you need to figure out whether Chrome is actually the issue. Test your mouse outside of Chrome. Try scrolling in File Explorer, in the Settings app, or even in another browser like Edge or Firefox. If the scroll wheel does not work anywhere, then the problem is probably with the mouse itself, not Google Chrome. But if it works everywhere else and only fails in Chrome, then we know the issue is browser related. The next fix is to disable hardware acceleration. Open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that option off and then click Relaunch. Hardware acceleration is designed to improve performance, but sometimes it can interfere with scrolling or create strange display behavior in Chrome. Turning it off is a very common fix for browser issues like this. After that, check your Chrome extensions. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions. Here, disable any extensions that might affect scrolling, such as smooth scrolling tools, mouse gesture extensions, or even some ad blockers. Extensions can sometimes conflict with Chrome and interfere with the mouse wheel. If disabling one extension fixes the problem, you'll know exactly which one caused it. Another useful step is to enable smooth scrolling in Chrome flags. In the address bar, type chrome://flags and press Enter. Then use the search box to look for smooth scrolling. If it is not already enabled, set it to enabled and then click Relaunch. This can improve the way Chrome handles scrolling behavior and may solve the problem if the wheel feels laggy, jumpy, or completely unresponsive. Finally, clear your Chrome cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select cached images and files and then click Delete Data. A corrupted browser cache can cause all kinds of strange issues, including problems with scrolling. Clearing it gives Chrome a fresh start without affecting your saved bookmarks or most of your important data. So to recap, if your mouse scroll wheel is not working in Google Chrome, start by restarting Chrome, then restart your computer, test the mouse outside Chrome, disable hardware acceleration, check your extensions, enable smooth scrolling, and clear the browser cache. One of these fixes usually solves the problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.